Let me out of the way.
Is it rooms to the help and rescue?
I can't really. I mean, it's like.
I got it. Mom.
Next spot.
Katie, come here.
No, Roman, let her do that one.
Roman.
Let her do that one. Let her do that one. Just show her where the zipper is.
See, you pull the string. You want me to help you?
Yeah, let's see if I can do it, Billy. Thank you. Nope, I need scissors.
Katie.
New shoes!
Bailey. You want to give that to Leilani?
What is that? No, it's for Leilani. Hey, Take it. Take it, Leilani.
She doesn't even know what to do.
Leilani, take this.
She likes those shoes.
Look out. I'm
Whoa,
slipping.
hands out, hands out. Leilani, do you want help, honey? You can bring it here, I'll help you.
Want me to open the shop?
Leilani.